Hi, welcome to my video, and if it's your first time here, welcome to my channel. I'm Anila, and today I'm sharing a very quick recipe. It's a 15-minute veggies and tortellini recipe, and it's a great way for you to finish whatever veggies you have in the fridge. Technically, you'll be making something out of nothing. I am going with a package of frozen tortellini. This is 250 grams. And I will be cooking these according to the package instructions. If you don't have frozen tortellini or you don't like it, simply use any pasta of your preference. So my non-stick pan is over high heat, and to that I'm adding 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Yes, Evo, because it's perfectly fine to cook with Evo. The smoke point ranges between 350 and 410 Fahrenheit, but I will get into that a little later. So to the olive oil, I'm adding whatever veggies I have. And today I'm cooking with bell peppers, broccoli, and some mushrooms, but I'm going to add those a little later on. And to keep this recipe quick and easy, I'm going to take a lot of shortcuts. I'm using onion powder, garlic powder, instead of chopping up onions and garlic. And I'm also going to use a mixture of Italian herbs. If you don't have access to this Italian seasoning, I'm pretty sure it simply consists of oregano, basil, and parsley. And of course I'm adding a bit of salt and pepper to taste. Go ahead and give that a really good mix so that the ingredients are thoroughly combined. You can toss them around if you're feeling brave. While the ingredients are cooking, this is a good time for me to show you with this infrared thermometer that the temperature of the ingredients, even the pan in the hottest places where there's no food, none of these measurements are even reaching anywhere near the smoke point. The only way that you would reach remotely close to the smoke point is if you burnt your food, if all of the moisture was just sucked right out of your food. If at any point you do feel like your food is in danger of burning, you could just add a splash of water. Alright, I've added the mushrooms, allowed those to cook for a minute or two, and now I've added the tortellini. I just think this looks so pretty because I decided to go with the rainbow tortellini, and it's the same color as the colors of the vegetables that I chose, so the whole dish to me is just really attractive anyway. Okay, I did lose a piece there when I was flipping my ingredients, but I think I just ate it, or maybe I threw it back in the pan, I'm not really sure. Anyway, this dish is done. You can sprinkle on some fresh herbs if you like, but that's optional. This is good to go. If you have all your ingredients prepped and the tortellini cooked, which only takes about 5 minutes, you can pull this together in 15 minutes, which is really impressive if you're busy, or if you're short on time, which, you know, we all are, all the time. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you found this helpful, and do like this video, and please subscribe, hit the notification bell. And I will see you again very soon with another video. Travel next time, I think. Yep. Okay, bye-bye.